let's go ahead and get to it. Basic shapes, sine. Default wavetable for the B. Take this bad boy down to 25, minus 25, up 25 on the other one. That's going to give you your detune. Sounds a little bit like this. Cool. Now we want to accentuate that movement because that's where the Reese sound is going to come from. RM from B. Really good for this. Cool. This is a bass. We're going to put it in mono. I like a little glide on my basses. Take this up to 323. Not really going to change anything. Pops and clicks. It's coming from your phase being random. Make that predictable. FX. Hyperdimension. This is where our space is going to come back. Take the size down. 5%. Diode 1. Really, really good distortion. Makes your mids and highs sing. Told you it was good. Pre, because I don't like what it's doing to the lows. Good enough for me. Compressor. Get back what we took away. Turn that mix down. Too loud, boy. Turn this master down. Cool. Get a sub back. Take this down. All the way up. Just for extra separation, we're going to go ahead and take this low pass EQ, high pass EQ. Sounds good, looks good. That's about it. From here on out, you can go ahead and do whatever you want. Flanger, phaser, chorus, always nice. Reverb, course. Throw on different filters before we get to all the craziness in the FX. Try out different shapes. Everything interacts with each other in a different way. RM from B. Sounds really weird if you did 2 initial wavetables. Go ahead and try that out. But the main thing to take away from here is a little bit of detune with a little bit of ring modulation with some hyper and distortion. That's where your sound's coming from, and I'll prove it. Here it is. The compressor and the EQ is just kind of accentuating what's already there. Bye.